He wants to call off my divorce because my cancer treatment was successful. Upon my diagnosis with testicular cancer, he filed for divorce, stating that taking care of me would be too much for him. In my province, you have to live separately and apart for 1 year before a divorce is granted. Since he left, I've had surgery and chemotherapy, and my latest checkup shows no evidence of disease. When he found that out, I don't know how, he applied in court to withdraw the divorce application. He suggested we could remain married since I was no longer ill, and was genuinely surprised when I opposed the withdrawal of the divorce petition through my own lawyer. I don't want to be married to him after what he did.